Hi, I'm Linda Hutchinson of L. Hutchinson Designs. Today I'm going to show you how to make a braided headband. I have a simple stretchy kind of headband. It has like a metal insert covered with fabric. I have 2 small pieces of grosgrain ribbon and 3 bumpy chenille pipe cleaners. So I'm going to take the pipe cleaners, gather them at one end, and with a little hot glue, I'm going to wrap some of the ribbon around it. On the headband, you're going to see it come almost to the ends, but not quite to the part where it goes on the temples, so it doesn't get in the way behind the ears and irritate the wearer. So I'm just going to put a little hot glue on the ends and then wrap this ribbon around it. Just pinching it together. If a little seeps out, that's okay. You can peel it off after it dries. I'm going to go in with a little bit more and wrap it around. Be careful not to burn yourself. This gives it a nice finished edge, and it also gives you a good surface to attach it to the headband once you've braided it. So now I'm going to go ahead and braid the chenille. Once you have that completed, again, just take a little bit of hot glue on the end and wrap it with the ribbon. Then you can just place it on the headband, bending it to the shape of the headband and seeing where the ends are going to land. You want to make it so that it's pretty much equidistant from the end on both sides. It doesn't have to be exact because that part will probably be under the hair, but pretty close. Once you have an idea where it's going to land, you want to go in there with a little glue and begin attaching it. First, you're going to put the band on one side, holding it in place while it forms a bond. Then you probably should put a little at a few points along the way. Don't do too much at one time though, because it may dry before you get to form that bond. It dries very quickly. All the little strings that come off in the process, you can easily remove afterward. Don't be concerned with those. And there you have a nice, colorful braided headband that you can make yourself. My name is Linda Hutchinson, and thank you so much for joining me. Bye-bye.